morning, students. Today is Thursday, November 12th. It's an asynchronous day. I will be in the Google Meet, though, throughout the entire day if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help you out, especially with the water testing reasoning document where you had those 4 rounds. I can help you with that, um, as well as the water testing report, and of course, with the pros and cons solution plans. And so, yesterday, our goal, I guess, was if you did not complete the water testing report, um, then your group was working on that, and I know a lot of you were finishing this up. So I would say, like, try to get this in. If you have not gotten it in, I would say Thursday, um, probably by the latest, so today by the latest. So then that gives you a full day to work on these pros and cons solutions. I don't want you getting too far behind in this, project because our next week, we're gonna be looking at stakeholders, and then the week after that, I think we're probably going to be wrapping this project up. So I know it's a long one, but I want to make sure that everybody's kind of caught up along. If you have questions, ask early. If you have an issue with your group, make sure that you're also asking early so that I can mitigate those and find a solution that's best for everybody, so that you're not putting it off until the deadline and then I don't, it's too far to do anything helpful. So make sure that you're telling me early. I'm not going to get mad at you. I just want to know what's going on in your groups because it's kind of hard to tell through virtual setting too. But anyway, so what you completed yesterday was the water testing report. Make sure that when you submit that into Google Classroom, you attach your map with it as well, that CAMI that you and your group are working on. For today's classwork, you are going to complete the water testing report if you have not already done so. That's your main priority. And then once you finish that, your second thing, or the thing to do for today mostly, is the pros and cons of the solution plans. That's due Sunday at midnight. So you have some time to do it, but of course, I don't want you to be using your own free time over the weekend to complete all this work. So make sure that you're using your class time effectively so that you can get all that done. Again, this was our pros and cons solution plan document. In my previous video, which I can post up at the top of, actually, I'll post it in to the actual assignment because it's helpful for this. Uh, but I go through two pros and cons, or two pros, two cons for the awareness campaign, and kind of talk through what this looks like. So you can check that video if you're completely lost. And then here are the actual solution plans themselves. And so in that video, again, I go through everything and kind of like talk about how I would start the awareness campaign or what the pros and cons of the awareness campaign are. So again, your task for today, complete the water testing report assessment if you have not already done so, and then make sure that you attach your map to that assignment when you turn it in on Google Classroom. And then lastly, the pros and cons of the solution plans. That's due Sunday at midnight. If you have questions, again, ask early rather than later. If you have an issue with your group, make sure that, again, you're telling me. I'm not going to get mad. I just want to know what's going on in your group so that I can help everyone with their learning. So reach out to me. I'll be in the Google Meet if you need me. Have a great day. Bye.